Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. In the last video, you guys probably saw me install the fog lights on the 7th Gen Civic. Today we are going to be renewing the headlights. We're going to save at least $70 by redoing these headlights. We're going to sand them down. We have some great sandpaper. I think we're using 600 grit. We're just going to clean off all of the grime on them, and they look really bad. If you guys look at these, definitely bad. So we're going to sand them down. We're going to do a wet sanding, and then we're going to use some clear coat. We're going to clean them up, make them look great. We have to tape them off as well. So this is going to take a couple minutes, but it's going to look so much better when we are done. So first we're going to start sanding them down. These are the tools that we are going to be using today. We're going to use acrylic lacquer, and we're going to use some wet or dry sandpaper. This is 600 grit, and some masking tape as well. So I'm going to start sanding right now. Alright, so the headlights are sanded down. They definitely are still foggy, obviously, because they've been sanded, and they're going to look a lot better. So what we're going to do now is let it dry for a few minutes. I did wipe them down and just spray them off a little bit, get all of the powder off. So next I'm going to tape off around the headlights so I can start clear coating them. But so far so good. So these definitely do look really foggy. That is expected when you sand them, obviously, but they're going to look so much better when we actually start clear coating them. That's what it looks like with the new fogs. Looks good as well. What a good looking car.
And here is the finished product after about 40 minutes of sanding, masking, and finally clear coating the headlights. So I do want to mention that the driver's side headlight clear coat did start looking really weird after a few minutes, and I'm pretty sure that is because there was fluid that was spilt on it. I'm sure wiping that headlight with rubbing alcohol first would have prevented it, but I did end up redoing it just to make it look a lot better. They came out great. They're not yellow anymore. They look super clear, and now the new LED headlight bulbs in these headlights look so much better, and they are really going to perform, and all of the yellow is finally gone. So that is about it for this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next video.